In this video, I'm going to be going over how to find FTP username and password in cPanel step by step. Finding your FTP username and password in cPanel is a quick and easy process. By the end of this video, you will successfully have your FTP username and password located and found in cPanel. Let's get started. To start, I'm on the cPanel page. Scroll down to the Files section. You'll see FTP Accounts. Click FTP Accounts. Scroll down to the FTP Accounts. You'll see the FTP account information showing. Next, you want to click Configure FTP Client. It'll now show you your FTP username, FTP server, and FTP and explicit FTPS port. That is how to find FTP username and password in cPanel. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more cPanel tutorial videos.